Have you ever sat through a meeting where you thought this could have been an email? Some people hang a poster of meeting rules on the wall thinking that will fix the problem. It won't. We've all seen these kinds of well-intentioned posters on meeting room walls. They help, but not much. What transforms meeting culture isn't the poster, it's the conversation that occurs before the poster goes up on the wall. When team members create meeting rules together, they are making a promise. I won't waste your time and you won't waste my time. Real change happens through dialogue, not meeting room decoration. People stick to rules they write themselves. It's not rocket science, it's just normal human behavior. Imagine asking your team what makes meetings effective. You might assume you already know the answer, but do you? Would they want more structure or more flexibility? More focus on details or on the principles that are to guide good meetings? Or even fewer meetings altogether? If you have not had this conversation, how do you know if your assumptions match their reality? This is the conversation that transforms meetings from this to this. This poster is a good example of guidelines developed by a team that's committed, really committed to work well together. Capture this screen image if you want a good role model. If you want better meetings, start a real conversation with your team about how to do it. Then after that conversation, have them put the poster they create up on the wall. It will have more meaning. Attached is the article that tells you how to have that conversation. Want to take it even further? I've put together a free article, 10 phrases that transform difficult conversations. It's a practical guide to help you turn workplace conflict into productive problem solving. These simple but powerful phrases help shift conversations away from blame and toward real collaboration. Grab your copy here. And don't miss the next video. I'll be back with another practical tip to help you make teamwork work for you. See you in the next video.